2nd and 10. He is going for close. Drew Pearson. He got it. Touchdown.
First down, Cleveland 46. 3 wide receivers right, Kramer back to pass. He's going deep, down the right side, and it is fought for, and it is touchdown! Touchdown! Rashawn!
The 8 seconds remaining and give his receivers a chance to go up and go get it. Wilson takes a snap. 3-man run. Looking, scrambling. Now he's going to roll. Now he's going to stop and set. Back at the 40, lets it fly to the end zone. Going to give his guys a chance. Going up, coming down. Does he come down with it? Does